as I stated in my last video, all creation of existence is made of indestructible atoms. These atoms only bond one positive from the inside out at 360 degrees, bigger and better than all negativity that could destroy them, to make the good truth of God of every shape, form, and mass one to the here and now of reality. And check this out. Every time these atoms are in a negative way in body of their matter to the good truth of their shape, form, and mass, they are in a state of decay and disintegration, crossing static, twisted, scattered, undefined in body of matter with friction to one nothing, dust to wind at the beginning again. It's been like that for all shape, form, and mass to the here and now of reality since the beginning of time. All creation of existence is saturated with what's called the Higgs field. Just imagine being a fish in an ocean. Well, this field is directly responsible for the fundamental particles of every one of these atoms, right? As the good truth of them only getting bigger and better from the energy of it. And every time these atoms that are bonded in body of matter, right, are in more of a negative way than a positive, this Higgs field that passes through everything from the inside out at 360 degrees, right, gives these negatively charged electrons that circle your atoms that are paired too much charge, and they swell up. That's the best way I can describe it. They get so big that they can no longer be held by the positive proton because of the negative charge to the pair that they are. And in reality, they go through your body, destroying your cells as free radicals, and they age you out. They cause cancer, they cause disease, heart disease, everything that you could think of that your body decays and disintegrates from. That's what causes it. Now, in reality, if this Higgs field goes through you, right, and you have more of a positive charge than a negative charge, right, then the good truth of your shape, form, and mass will only become bigger and better than the negativity of it, right? So, anytime you feel any and all negativity, only cross one positive to be the good truth of God of your shape, form, and mass to the bigger and better of that negativity. If you do by the physics and laws of all matter, you can never decay, you can never disintegrate, and you can never die of that. And check this out. When this energy, this Higgs field, hits these negative electrons, right, what happens is when they become more charged than the atom, it's a magnetic pull between the two, right? The atom is positively charged, and then it has a neutron in the middle. Science says that this neutron is neutral, but that's a lie on the neutron, because the neutron is always negative of absolutely positively being good as the truth of God of a proton. Because in reality, a proton is 2 up quarks, 1 down quark, right? And a neutron is 2 down quarks and 1 up quark. So you can see that's the total opposite. And in reality, it is of a negative charge to that atom. And that's how that atom balances out the charge of its electrons. But here's what happens, right? When this atom takes on more negativity, right, to the reality of its electrons, right? Okay? They come out of their shells, and they destroy as the decay and disintegration of everybody of